Good evening, friends. Happy Thursday to all of you. The Biden administration is considering passing legislation that would provide eligible Americans with double stimulus payments in the month of February 2022. Some Social Security beneficiaries will be receiving enhanced benefits on December 30th, 2021. This is today's latest stimulus news and information. Friends, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and stay tuned until the end of this video to learn how to enter my $100 Walmart gift card giveaway.
This himself and has spoken for himself, as I assume he will continue to do. I would just note that the president considers him a friend. He believes they share values about a range of things personally, but also about why they're in public service, which is to make life easier for working people across the country, to give people more breathing room, to lower costs of child care, of health care, to fight for good paying union jobs. That's been a common topic of discussion, of course, between the president and Senator Manchin, but I would really point you to Senator Manchin to speak. Clarify, this was also a concerning headline we saw ourselves, but there is no new research, data, or analysis of fraud here. So just to give you the specifics, what happened is there was just an adding up of two old IG reports of well-known challenges at small business loans in states getting out UI payments in 2020. And there's been a lot of reporting, I know, from the Associated Press and others about issues with some of those earlier programs. So it's also important to note that even those two older analysis combined payments that include mistakes in over and under payments, but it was a reference to two older IG reports.
Okay. Social Security recipients have seen the purchasing power of their monthly benefits eroded over the past few decades, especially with exceptionally high inflation that has occurred in the recent months. Relief to some degree is on its way after the Social Security Administration announced it in 2022. Those receiving benefits from the agency, including Social Security, supplemental security income, and more, would see nearly a 6% increase reflected in their checks. The agency calculated that the 2022 cost of living adjustment by looking at the Consumer Price Index for urban wage earners and clerical workers for the months of July, August, and September. The increased payments will begin with checks that start going out in January of 2022. This increase makes history as the highest offered to seniors in over 40 years and is mostly a result of the higher than normal inflation, which has been brought on by multiple factors resulting from this crisis. The Senior Citizens League, an organization that advocates for seniors in the United States, has noted that over the last few decades, the COLAs applied to Social Security benefits have not kept up with the actual price increases in the market. The annual boost to monthly payments will help go some way towards keeping seniors and disabled recipients from losing purchasing power. However, much of this increase is likely to be offset by similar rises in cost of goods and Medicare. And so for that reason, the Senior Citizens League has called on Congress to send a $1,400 stimulus check to those on Social Security. The Social Security Administration has stated that around 8 million beneficiaries will receive the first check with the COLA, which is applied on December 30th, 2021. More than 64 million Social Security beneficiaries will see their higher payments starting in January, which is based on the Social Security Administration's payment schedule. According to the U.S. Labor Department, this crisis has caused many economic problems. One of the most pervasive is the supply chain issues that are leading to a surge in prices. Inflation is up more than 6% over the last year, and for that reason, the COLA is the highest it is in decades. The easiest way to calculate your benefit is by taking your monthly payment and multiplying it by 5.9%. That will give you the increase you will see reflected in your check. To find out the total of the new check, please apply the increase to the previous amount. Additionally, in December, the Social Security Administration will be sending out letters to beneficiaries detailing exactly how much of their benefits will increase. One thing to keep in mind is that the price of Medicare Part B premium will increase from $140.50 to $170.10. The increase is nearly $30, which will be taken directly out of one's Social Security check, meaning that whatever increase is added to the benefit amount, it will be almost $30 lower than what appears. Friends, the key word for this video is SPICE. If you would like to enter this coming Friday's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like this video. Comment below the keyword from each video that you watch, and please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends. The White House said that it could make double monthly child tax credit payments in February. That's if the Democrats' spending plan to extend them does not pass Congress before the end of the year. White House Press Secretary Jen Psaki stated, "We have talked to Treasury and others about doing double payments in February. The president sees this as a priority as soon as Congress returns." Psaki's comments come as monthly child tax credit payments established under President Biden's crisis relief law are set to expire at the end of this year. As part of the relief law, tens of millions of American families that have received monthly payments from July to December of up to $300 per child under the age of 6 and up to $250 per child ages 6 to 17 will come to an end. The White House and congressional Democrats want to extend the payments as part of a massive social spending and climate package. Democratic lawmakers have indicated that they don't have a viable backup plan to extend the monthly payments before they expire. Jen Psaki said that Biden wants to see the social spending package advance early next year. She also told reporters, "The president wants to see this move forward." So friends, do you think monthly payments should be going out to all Americans? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you so much, friends, for joining me here this Thursday evening. I truly appreciate all of you who are watching my videos. To say thank you, I'm giving away Walmart gift cards every Friday. If you would like to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is comment below the keyword of each video that you watch, and also click and like my videos. And please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends, and have a very, very blessed Thursday.